Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to create content that actually grabs attention on social media, you're not alone. I've been there. You spend hours crafting the perfect caption, picking out a photo, maybe even putting together a short video. You hit publish, and then nothing. A few likes, maybe a comment if you're lucky. It's frustrating, right? It feels like no matter how much time and effort you put in, your content just gets buried under an endless scroll of posts, ads, and videos from people with huge budgets or entire teams behind them. But what if I told you that there's now a tool that can seriously level the playing field? Something that lets you turn any content, whether it's a tweet, a blog post, a photo, or even a simple chat, into an eye-catching video in just a few clicks. Sounds like a stretch? That's exactly what I thought too. But then I discovered something called ClipsMate AI, and honestly, it's a total game changer. ClipsMate AI is an artificial intelligence-powered video creation platform, and I know that sounds like buzzword soup, but hear me out. This tool takes your existing content, like text or images, and automatically transforms it into engaging, scroll-stopping videos that are already optimized for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. That means no more stressing over dimensions, aspect ratios, or whether your captions are in the right spot. Let's say you wrote a blog post or a product description. With ClipsMate AI, you can turn that into a video with dynamic animations, voiceovers, background music, and captions, all done for you. You don't need to hire an editor. You don't need to learn any complicated software. And you definitely don't need to spend hours trying to get your video just right. You just paste in your content, choose a template, and the AI does the rest. Now imagine you've got a killer tweet that did well on Twitter. Why let it die there? Paste it into ClipsMate and boom, now it's a short video that can get a second life on Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. Maybe you've got some customer support chats or reviews from clients. Those can become short, story-driven videos too. It's like turning everyday content into social media gold. ClipsMate comes loaded with over 100 templates that are tailored to different industries. So whether you're in e-commerce, fitness, food, lifestyle, or anything else, you'll find something that fits your brand. And these aren't cookie-cutter templates either. They come with animations, text transitions, background visuals, and even voiceover options that make your content look polished and professional without you lifting more than a few fingers. What really impressed me, though, was how the platform handles video optimization. Once your video is created, it automatically resizes and formats it for the platform you're posting on. Instagram stories? Done. TikTok vertical? No problem. YouTube widescreen? Already handled. There's even a built-in captioning feature, so your videos are accessible to everyone, whether they've got the sound on or off. And yes, music and sound effects are included too. You get access to a huge library of royalty-free tracks and audio effects, so your video doesn't just look good, it sounds good too. And if you want to make something more custom, you can tweak the layout, change colors, adjust timing, or swap in different media from their library or your own uploads. One of the coolest features for me is the background selector. You can choose from videos, GIFs, or images to give your content the exact vibe you're going for. Whether it's high energy, chill, professional, or playful, you're in full control. The best part, though? You don't need to be a video editing pro. In fact, you don't even need to know the first thing about editing. ClipsMate AI is built so that anyone, marketers, business owners, influencers, or even complete beginners, can create videos that actually look like they were made by a professional team. And here's something worth mentioning. Right now, there's a one-time lifetime license available, which means you pay once and get unlimited access forever. No monthly fees, no restrictions, and yes, You even get a commercial license, so if you're a freelancer or agency, you can use it to make videos for clients and keep all the profits. So if you're tired of being ignored online, if you want to actually stand out and create content that people want to watch, share, and engage with, ClipsMate AI is worth checking out. I've been using it myself, and it's saving me a ton of time while making my posts look way more professional. That's it for today. If this video helped you out or gave you something to think about, make sure to like, drop a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.